Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you will receive instant notifications. Alright, in this video we are going to see about how to use this investing.com. This is actually a very good website and it has a lot of technical tools to be used. So if you can able to learn all these things, then you yourself can able to plot all the channels, horizontal, Fibonacci, everything. So I'll tell you everything right from beginning how to use this investing.com. Yes, so first of all you have to create an account in this investing.com, and once you have created and once you have signed in, so this is how the page looks, and you have to click here and you have to go to my portfolio. So once you click your portfolio, so you have to add all the stocks which you are going to analyze. So these are all the stocks which you have already added. So if you want to add a new stock, you just have to click here and then you have to add, let's say if you are adding Wipro, so you have to type Wipro and then you have to select this equity NSE. Don't select this future because this is future stock, and if you want to analyze future you can click this, but if you want to analyze equity then you have to click this one. So once you click, this particular share will be added, and once you click this charts, so this page will pop up, and in this one if you want to make this full screen, go to this full screen, and these are all the stocks which you have added in your stock watch list or portfolio. So just click this so that you will get the bigger screen, and this is the first thing which you have to do. You have to select the candles, because every time we will be analyzing only candles, and this is the best format to analyze the technical analysis of any stock. So just click candle, and this is volume. If you want to remove volume, you can just close this, and if you want to add something else, you have to click here. This indicators is there, so just click here, and if you want RSI you can add RSI, and if you want to add MACD, moving average, then you can add moving average. So everything whatever you wanted, see, everything is here. So you have more than 70-80 tools or 70-80 indicators, you can add everything, and if you want to close this, just close this. That's all. It's as simple as that. And there are a lot of tools which are available on your right side. So trend line, trend angle, horizontal line, everything is there, and parallel channel is there. And there are also a lot of Fibonacci tools. Fibonacci retracement is there, and pitchfork tool is there, and Gann box, Gann square is there, and this is where you can even draw a rectangle, ellipse, you can even draw a triangle. So these are the tools which are available. You have to click all these boxes and you have to check which one you need, and you have to analyze these things. Okay, let's say if you are analyzing this chart, I mean, let's say if you're analyzing this chart and if you want to draw a parallel line in Wipro, like parallel channel, you just have to click here and then go to this parallel channel and just drag it. So this is actually a channel. So this is how you need to draw a channel, and if you want to change the color, you can change it here. See, this is the color changing. If you want to change the color, it will change, and if you want to change the line also, you can change. So this is how we need to draw a channel. And if you want to draw a horizontal line here, like horizontal support and resistance, so what you have to do is you just to go here, take this horizontal line and just draw it. So this is one line, and if you want to change the color, you just black it out and then just thicken it. And if you want to draw another line in same way, horizontal line, you just have to draw, just select that line and just you have to draw it. That's all, it's done. So this is how we need to draw horizontal lines. And if you want to draw, so now you have to select each and every time for drawing this horizontal line or whatever pattern. If you want to draw, you have to go here, click again and again. So instead, if you want to draw lines continuously, what you have to do is just click here, click the horizontal line and just click this. This is stay in drawing mode. So just click this and then draw here. So here on horizontal line, one more horizontal line, one more, how many number of lines you want, you can click. So this is how we need to draw all these horizontal lines. And if you want to remove all these things, uh, just right click, remove all drawing tools. It will remove all your drawing tools. So this is how you need to draw this horizontal line. And let's say if you want to analyze another stock, let's say we'll take Reliance. So if you want to draw a trend line here, so just take this trend line, so just draw. Okay, this is how you draw a trend line. So it's done. So this trend line is done. So once this particular line is breached, so it has actually come down. So this is how you need to draw a trend line. And if you want to draw, if you want to put a text here, like this is the highest one, so just place here. So that's all. This text will come. So this actually you can save this. One second, this is still there, so that is why it is coming again and again. Actually you can save this. So this is how you need to draw it. This is how you need to type a text here. And let's say if you want to draw a channel again in this. So this is how we need to draw a channel. Let's say if we are taking this for a weekly, and actually this is a channel. See here how I'm drawing a channel. Go here, draw the parallel channel. Yeah, that's done. This is how you need to draw a parallel channel. Okay, and now if you want to see the Fibonacci retracement, I'll tell you. So let's analyze uh, Infosys. So if you want to draw a Fibonacci, just go here, shape Fibonacci, and just place the cursor here and just draw it. So this is swing high, swing low. If you want to draw till here, this is how you need to draw. So this is the high, this is the low, and this is how you need to draw Fibonacci. And what else you want? If you want to draw, let's say if you want to draw a rectangle to identify where is this yeah, let's say if you want to draw a rectangle here, so this is how we need to draw a rectangle. Just place it here. So this is a kind of accumulation zone, I would tell. Yeah, so now you can understand this is the accumulation zone. And the best part is you can save this chart whenever. If you are analyzing this, you can save the chart. See here, load this the chart wherein we'll be saying things, and this is where we'll be saving the chart. Let's say if you're saving the chart, type Infosys and just type the date 11th May, and this chart will be saved. And whenever you want to open the chart, just click here, and if you click this chart, this particular chart will come with whatever information which you have shared. So this is how we need to draw this rectangle. And let's say if you want to, this is another one, Fibonacci. So let's say we are again drawing a channel here. This is how we'll be drawing a channel. So once the channel is breached, see the fall, and this is also breached and see the fall. And let's say if you want to draw horizontal lines here, this is first resistance, and this is second resistance, this is third, and this I would say fourth, and this is the fifth. So there are 5 different support and resistance in this Bajaj Finance. And yeah, let's see this head and shoulders pattern now. Okay, I'm just removing all these things. Let's say in Infosys, I'm not seeing any Head and Shoulders in Reliance, so I'm just moving on to Infosys. Let's see if I can able to find some Head and Shoulders here. I can see some head and shoulders here. It's not a proper head and shoulder. Yeah, I can see some head and shoulders here. So let's say if you are drawing this head and shoulder, just head and shoulder. So this is your first left shoulder, and this is your head, and this is your right shoulder. So this is how we need to draw head and shoulder pattern. Just remove this because of this these things are coming. You can actually delete this. Yeah, see, this is how we need to draw a head and shoulders pattern. This is actually head and shoulders, but it didn't perform. It just came down and it has went up again. So this is how we need to draw head and shoulders. And if you want to draw or ABCD pattern, this is how we need to draw ABCD pattern. ABCD. If you want to draw this ABCD pattern, one second. This is how we need to draw this ABCD pattern. This is how we need to draw this pattern. And if you are searching for this one, yeah, yeah, see, this is one thing which you can see here. If you want to draw a curve like pattern, arc like pattern, this they used to call it as cup and saucer. They used to call it. This is the cup and handle. So this is the handle they would call. So this is how we need to draw arc, and this is how we need to draw all these things. This is a kind of double bottom, or you can say it as double bottom, or you can say it as small head and shoulders pattern. So if you want to draw arc here, so this is how we need to draw. And again, go here. And once it breaches, it is going up. So these are the things which you have to learn in this investing.com. So there are a lot of tools here which you can able to see and which you can able to analyze. So many tools are here. This insect, pitchfork, Gann box, Gann square, Fibonacci retracement, and all those things. And here you can see all kind of angles, arrows, vertical lines, extended angle, and all those things. And here actually you can see Elliott waves and all. So this is how we need to draw your this is how we need to use this Fibonacci and things in this investing.com. Actually this is a very good website wherein you can use all these things. So if you have any doubts, you just ask me. I'll just clear it for you. And this is how we need to draw, or this is how we need to use this investing.com. Yes, thank you guys, that's all. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment box. Thank you.